Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Government subsidies can be tricky to calculate on a graph, but we can solve this quickly by identifying the total area of government spending. The total cost of a per-unit subsidy is found by multiplying the amount of the subsidy by the new equilibrium quantity produced. We need to find that specific rectangular area. In this graph, the per-unit subsidy is the vertical distance between the two supply curves. We then multiply this height by the total quantity sold after the subsidy is granted. The total cost is the large rectangle covering areas A, B, C, I, G, K, and J. This makes option D the winner.
Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Trust the given steps to find the full rectangular area.